Hello and welcome everyone to the latest episode of the Recap 2023 quiz series. My name is Pragya. As you all know, in this series, we are discussing some of the important questions from our recently conducted Recap 2023 series, which is going to be very helpful in your preparation for various competitive examinations. Our today's episode is based on the major sports event segment of the Recap 2023 series. So let us begin with the very first question of our today's discussion. So the question is, consider the following statements in relation to the Asian Games of 2023. So statement number 1 is, the 19th Asian Games was held in Aichi, Nagoya, Japan. Your statement number 2 is, esports and breaking, also known as breakdance, were introduced in the games for the very first time. Your statement number 3 is, India secured the 4th position in medal tally with 107 medals. Your statement number 4 is, Anu Rani became first female athlete to win a gold medal in throwing event in Asian Games. How many of these statements given above are correct? Your options are, option A is only 1, option B is only 2, your option C is only 3 and your option D is all 4 statements are correct. So your option C is going to be the correct answer. That means only 3 statements are correct. So Asian Games is the biggest sports competition in Asia, held once every 4 years. The symbol for the Asian Games is the rising sun with interlocking rings. And the 19th Asian Games of 2022, which were held in the year 2023, came to a close at the Hanghao Olympic Center Stadium, also known as the Big Lotus, in the People's Republic of China. And India's Anu Rani won the gold medal in the women's javelin throw with her 69.92 meter throw at the Asian Games of 2023, and that is why only 3 statements are correct, because the Asian Games of 2023, the 19th editions, were concluded at Hanghao Olympic Center in the People's Republic of China. Moving forward to the second question of our today's discussion. So consider the following statements. Your statement number 1 is Australia. Your statement number 2 is New Zealand. Your option 3 is Japan and your option 4 is England. How many of the above countries jointly hosted the FIFA Women World Cup of 2023? Your options are, option A is only 1, your option B is both 1 and 2, your option C is only 3 and your option D is all 4 countries. So your answer will be option B, both Australia and New Zealand. So the FIFA Women's World Cup 2023 was hosted jointly by Australia and New Zealand, and it was the first FIFA Women's World Cup with more than one host nation, as well as the first World Cup to be held across multiple confederations. And this becomes very significant because this marks the women's entry into the Football World Cup known as the FIFA, which is held every 4 years. So this fact becomes very important for the various competitive examinations. Now let us understand question 3 of our today's discussion. So the question 3 is, consider the following statements about Khelo India Para Games or the KIPG Games of 2023. Your statement 1 is, the KIPG 2023 took place in Haryana. Your statement number 2 is, Haryana secured the first position in the medal tally. So, which of these statements given above are correct? Your options are, option A is 1 only, option B is 2 only, option C is both 1 and 2 and option D is neither 1 nor 2. So, your correct answer will be option B, 2 only. The Khelo India Para Games were organized in New Delhi and not in Haryana. Okay. However, Haryana won the inaugural title by securing 105 medals, that is 40 gold, 39 silver and 26 bronze medal. Now let us move forward and discuss your fourth question of our today's discussion. So the fourth question is, the 16th Asia Cup of 2023 was hosted by which of the following countries? Your options are option A is Pakistan, your option B is Sri Lanka, your option C is India, and your option D is Bhutan. The answer for this question will be given by you to me in the comment section. Now let us discuss the fifth and the last question of our today's discussion. So the question is, with reference to the Men's Hockey World Cup 2023, consider the following statements. Your statement number 1 is the 15th edition of the FIH Hockey World Cup 2023 was held in West Bengal. Your statement number 2 is the mascot of the game was Ujjwala, also known as Little Sparrow. Your statement number 3 is Belgium won the event by defeating Germany. How many of the above statements are correct? Your option A is only 1. Your option B is only 2. Your option C is all 3 statements, and your option D is none of these statements are correct. So kindly let me know the correct answer in the comment box below. With this, we come to a conclusion of our today's discussion. These were the most important questions from the segment Major Sports Event 2023. And if you don't know the answers, kindly go and watch the recap 2023 episode of Major Sports Events, so that you can take your preparation to a whole new height and you can prepare, revise and succeed in various competitive examinations. I would also like to take this opportunity to inform you of the 40% discount on our live and online GS Foundation course, and the payment for this course can be made in 4 easy EMI installments. That is the first installment of 20,000, second installment of 20,000 and the third and the fourth installment of rupees 15,000 each. If you want to know more about this, click on the link given in the description box and download the Drishti Learning app. Thank you.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.